Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of RedNote, a rapidly growing social online community. If you're seeking a platform that seamlessly blends lifestyle content with a vibrant community, RedNote might just be the app for you. Let's dive into everything you need to know about this platform, from its features, the pricing, and its pros and cons, and let's see how it stacks up against TikTok. Let's get started. RedNote, known as Xiao Yongshu in China, is a video and photo sharing social online lifestyle community that offers a personalized experience for sharing and discovering content tailored to your interests. Therefore, technically, it's not owned by the Chinese government. However, Chinese law grants the government substantial oversight over all company operations. Launched in 2013, it has evolved from a shopping platform into a comprehensive social media app. The platform boasts over 300 million users, with a significant surge in American users recently. RedNote's primary focus is on lifestyle content, encompassing a wide array of topics such as fashion, beauty, food, travel, fitness, pets, and home decor. Unlike some platforms that prioritize influencer-driven content, RedNote emphasizes user-generated posts, fostering a community where individuals share authentic experiences and personal stories. Now let us talk about the main features of RedNote. Personalized content feed. RedNote offers a For You section that recommends contents based on individual user preferences and interests, ensuring a tailored browsing experience. In-app creation tools. The platform provides a suite of user-friendly templates, stickers, filters, and fonts designed to help users enhance their photos and videos. This all-in-one solution simplifies the content creation process. Community engagement. RedNote encourages user self-expression and engagement with a community of creatives sharing similar interests. Features like commenting with pictures enhance interaction. Hashtag discovery. Utilizing hashtags helps users discover content they like and increases the visibility of their own posts. Trending content and creators. The platform provides campaigns and an intuitive search function to help users find trending topics and top-performing creators. Carousel posts. Users can share multiple photos in a carousel format, keeping their followers engaged with a series of related images. Immersive photo experience. Unlike platforms that prioritize videos, RedNote focuses on photos, offering a more immersive visual experience. Is RedNote safe to use? Whether RedNote is safe to use depends on what aspects you're most concerned about as a user. First, there's no denying that, like TikTok, RedNote is Chinese-based. As such, familiar concerns are being raised about how user data is handled and whether it could be shared with the Chinese government. Adding to the confusion is that the app's privacy policy is in Mandarin and was not written for the US market. Another issue is that RedNote is available everywhere in the same format with the same information whether the user is in the US, China, or elsewhere. In contrast, TikTok is not accessible in China, which may come as a surprise to many. What are the RedNote's do's and don'ts? Do use high-quality images, create eye-catching titles, and write engaging descriptions. Don't use plagiarized content, include promotional links, post promotional materials, or use content from other apps with watermarks without permission. Now let us talk about the pricing. RedNote is available as a free app on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. While the core features are accessible without charge, the platform may offer in-app purchases or premium features in the future. What are the pros and cons of using RedNote? Let's start with the pros. Diverse content. From fashion and beauty to travel and fitness, RedNote covers a broad spectrum of lifestyle topics. User-friendly interface. The app's design facilitates easy navigation and content creation. Authentic community. Emphasis on user-generated content fosters genuine interactions. How about the cons? Language barrier. As a platform originating from China, some users may encounter language-related challenges. Content censorship. The app is subject to Chinese regulations which may affect content availability. Data privacy concerns. Given its Chinese ownership, there are discussions about data security and privacy. Now here's the big question. Is RedNote better than TikTok? With the potential ban on TikTok in the US, many users are exploring alternatives. RedNote presents itself as a viable option, especially for those interested in lifestyle content. While TikTok is renowned for its short-form videos and vast global reach, RedNote offers a more niche community focused on authentic, user-generated lifestyle posts. However, it's essential to consider the differences in content focus, community engagement, and potential regulatory challenges. RedNote's emphasis on photos and detailed posts contrasts with TikTok's video-centric approach. Additionally, the platform's adherence to Chinese regulations may influence content availability and user experience. In summary, if your interests align with lifestyle topics and you're seeking a community-driven platform, RedNote is worth exploring. However, be mindful of the potential language barriers and content restrictions that may arise. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Instagram, Pinterest, and Snapchat. And that's a wrap. Thank you for joining today's review. I hope this comprehensive overview helps you make an informed decision about whether RedNote is the right platform for you. Please like and share if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.